Alright, yo, what's up guys? So I'm here going to Mount Rubidoux with my boy Omar. Haven't been here for a long ass time since my leg injury, but we're gonna test it out today. So I'll catch you guys up there. Alright, so we're halfway right now. God damn. It's kind of kicking ass, but we're back. The turkey boys are back. I'll show you guys the calves afterwards when we get to the top. Alright.
You know lunges right now.
I know, bro. Look at these leg day. I'm gonna have my little legs. I'm gonna have little Rocky. Oh shit, I can't. Alright, yeah, you're right. Leg day for sure on that one. Alright, we officially made it to the top. We're here. Gotta feel my, can't even feel my legs. Shits are burning right now. I haven't been here since what, 6 months? Going to 7, but let me check out let you guys check out the turkey legs. Little flex on you guys. Goddamn, Disneyland style. That looks dope up here. Love Mount Rubidoux. Looks good. Now, all the way down we go. Alright, so I'm in the edge of a rock, or boulder I should say. And then Omar still wants me to go over there. He said there's more. God damn, my boy. Haven't been here since 7 months. Oh shit, it's kind of cool. Okay. We up here with my injured thumb. Beautiful. Look at that. Alright, my boy's on the edge. I'm over here. Told him, hell no, I'm not going to the edge. But I do remember that my boy had the first Skyfly shirt. It says Skyfly Hustle. I'd rather run with a few lions than 100 sheep. That was back in the day when it was like, I was thinking of a gym brand / street brand. But yeah.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Is it on? There you go. Yo, what's up guys? Thank you, baby. It's my brother's and sister-in-law's birthday. I have my girlfriend here. I have your favorite, the one and only, the Jagger, my cousin. It's kind of blurry, but he doesn't like to show his face anyway. Different cute little baby. Type of formula. Even one from Germany. Another cute little baby. These chips though, I'm recording the chips because I might eat one later. That's probably like the best box in the world.
She loves her uncle. Amused by you?
Hey, look at this. So beautiful. That's freaking dope. She has her own chocolate bar. I own my own skateboards.
This is so cute.
That's dope. I'm gonna eat it up. Emily! Is this thing recording? Right. Do you want a cake? You want a cake? You want a cake? Okay, I'll give you the cake. Don't ruin my streak, right? I don't know how to use Spider-Man. You don't know how to use Spider-Man?
So third house, I think it was real.
But you know how to eat a cheesecake, huh, cabrón? Alright, yo, what's up guys? Happy Monday. We're gonna do the Dollar Tree challenge. We're here at our local Dollar Tree and let's get it. Alright, so we're in the arts and crafts. We're gonna look for our stencils now.
Alright, testing 1, 2, 3.
Hey, alright, so far I got the flower stencil. Let me see if I can make something happen. Then I got the heart one. This one's gonna be kind of difficult. We'll see. Got the stars. Stars is not that bad. And then we got mini flowers. I might leave this one just because I already have the big flowers. So I'm gonna see if I can create something super dope. Budget $3 right here. Maybe some tax. We live in California. We're gonna stop for some Chinese food. Bless this man, Mr. Yu, for some excellent Chinese food right now. Let's go. Let's go. You already know the vibes. You gotta add some sweet and sour sauce on this. Sheesh. Man, my boy got the works. Damn, it pays off to be a cameraman. Right, now we are back to do the Dollar Tree stencil grip tape. Is it a cop or is it a drop? So I got these 3 stencils at Dollar Tree. Supplies you're gonna need some scotch tape, painter's tape, your paint mask. You don't want it inhale any of these fumes. Very toxic. So I got me a green, I got me white, and a yellow. So I'm gonna start off my canvas, which is the grip tape, and let's get to work. Final touch, I'm gonna go ahead and add some white splatter, and that should seal the deal. Finished product looks super clean. Yo, what's up guys? So the grip tape is officially done. I got the green stars with the yellow flowers, and then I added the white splats just for like a universal space look. It looks super dope. It's on Black Widow grip tape, so if you guys want to buy it, link in bio. And let me know if you guys want to see some other cool shit. Like I could do Michael's, Walmart, Target. If you guys want to see how I do my own stencils, DIY, skateboards, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video, comment, and I'll see you guys next time.